In today's review, we're taking an in-depth look at Mozello, a website builder designed to help users create and launch their own websites. If you're someone who's looking to build a personal site, business page, or online store, Mozello could be the solution you need. When you first sign up, you're greeted with an easy-to-navigate interface. The dashboard is simple, and it's clear that Mozello prioritizes ease of use without sacrificing design options. The main selling point of Mozello is its combination of simplicity and powerful features. Setting up a basic website can be done in just a few clicks, and you'll quickly be able to add content such as text, images, and videos to your pages. Customization is where Mozello really shines, offering a range of templates that are mobile responsive and modern in design. The drag-and-drop functionality allows you to place elements exactly where you want them, without any coding knowledge required. One of the more unique features of Mozello is its multilingual capabilities. You can easily create websites in multiple languages, which is a huge plus if you're targeting international audiences or have a global customer base. This feature is often reserved for higher-end website builders, so it's great to see it available at Mozello's pricing tier. As for pricing, Mozello offers a free plan with some limitations, such as branding and fewer customization options. However, the paid plans are affordable and unlock advanced features, such as e-commerce tools and expanded storage. The platform supports online stores with features like product catalogs, payment gateways, and inventory management. It's an excellent option for those looking to start a small business or sell products online. Mozello also provides SEO tools to help your website rank higher in search engines, and the platform's performance is solid in terms of speed and uptime. Whether you're running a blog, portfolio, or e-commerce store, Mozello's flexibility allows you to manage your site with ease. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Mozello's support options include email support, a comprehensive knowledge base, and community forums, which are helpful for troubleshooting any issues. Overall, Mozello stands out as a user-friendly website builder with a solid feature set for individuals and businesses alike. While it may not have the same depth of features as some of the bigger players in the space, its ease of use and multilingual support make it a compelling option for many users. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews of popular website builders and other tech tools.